Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about some SEO free tools. Everyone knows that SEO is the best way to outrank your competitors, and by doing SEO you can rank your keywords, you can rank your website in all the major search engines. And if you do not complete your SEO, and it will never help you to rank. So while we are doing SEO and while we are doing link building or other things, we have to work with some tools, right? In industry there are some paid tools and there are some free tools available out there. So today I will talk about 17 free to SEO tools that will help you to rank your keywords and to rank your website in all the major search engines. So let's begin from the screen. Look at Main Street Host. This is SEO service provider. So they are talking about top 19 free SEO tools in. So number one is the keyword research tool, and this is Google Keyword Planner. So the benefits of using this tool is high level keyword research, grouping, exporting keywords, generating keyword ideas. You can estimating competition for a phrase. Number two is Answer the Public. So Answer the Public is a visual keyword research tool providing search phrases in form of questions, and the tool is great for generating content ideas, discovering how your customers are searching, and visually representing search terms. Number three is the Reddit keyword research tool, Keywordit. Keywordit is a keyword research tool that extracts terms directly from Reddit. This alternative keyword tool generates phrases from the popular subreddits, and the benefits of using this keyword tool is alternative keywords, gaining perspective, generating seed keywords, addressing issues, complaints, common questions. So number four is Google Trend. Curious to know the popularity of a keyword? Google Trends can provide you with a timeline of the overall interest of search phrases dating back to 2004. So the tool is great for checking the popularity of a keyword over time. Number two, comparing keyword interest. Number three, discovering related queries. Number five, understanding keyword interest by region. Number five is on-page SEO stat. And for the on-page SEO, number 5, Open SEO Stats. Open SEO Stats is a free Chrome extension for gaining quick insights about a website on-page SEO. So this tool is great for quick on-page SEO check, page title check, meta description, H1 check. Number 6 is WooRank. This easy to use Chrome extension provides a one-click scan of the website you are reviewing. So the tool is great for a fast, detailed SEO report, website grading, quick suggestion for site improvements. Number 7, we can talk about QuickSprout. QuickSprout is a quick website analysis tool that combines analytics and site performance. The benefits of using QuickSprout is this is great for quick analysis, downloaded able reports, and this will give you pure analytics insights. So number 8, we can talk about Check My Links. Check My Links is a Chrome extension designed to seek out all broken links on your website. The tool is great for finding broken links to improve user experience. Number 9 is Technical SEO. For the technical SEO reason, number 9 is Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Screaming Frog swiftly gathers website details by crawling your entire URL structure. This tool is great for crawling entire websites, auditing redirects, discovering duplicate content, identifying secure and non-secure pages, locating broken links, identifying technical issues. Number 10, we can talk about the Structured Data Testing Tool. This tool is beneficial for testing structured data markup and detecting markup errors. Number 11, Google PageSpeed Insights. Check your site speed. We know site speed is a valid ranking signal, so it's logical to test your site on the search giant platform. The benefits of using this PageSpeed Insight is you can check site speed, you can identify slow loading page elements. Number 12, Website Penalty Indicators. Fear your site may have been hit with a penalty. Want to check a site's history before taking on a new client? The FE International Website Penalty Indicator allows you to review traffic estimations. So this tool is great for discovering potential impact of algorithm updates. And now this tools for analytics. Number 13, Google Analytics. You need Google Analytics. It is an absolute must. If you are looking for reliable, actionable insights on your website performance, look no further than Google Analytics. This free platform is the foundation for any serious digital market efforts. This tool is beneficial for understanding website performance, actionable insights, is segmenting organic traffic. Number 14, we can find out Google Search Console. Google Search Console is another free tool brought to you by Google. Search Console provides a host of helpful features, namely checking how many pages are indexing, finding links pointing to your site. This tool is beneficial for checking site errors, search analytics, and site health. Number 15, Search Analytics for Sheets. This free add-on for Google Sheets allows you to pull data from Google Search Console and bypass the 90-day data range limit. So this tool is beneficial for historical Search Console data, analytics of data. So there are some more free tools out there. I will share the links in the video description, and I will share you the website link.